Hey guys, this is John from Walkthrough Code. So in the last lesson, we went over just getting started and getting everything running. We were able to pull this and make it the sky is truly blue. So let's go ahead and talk about data binding and stuff like that. And while we're doing it, we'll get everything all set up. So data binding is really interesting. So what happens is it basically connects the DOM to the controllers, i.e. the JavaScript. And it lets us control the values, and it will also, you'll see, it's awesome. Okay, so let's start off by doing one thing. So because we're going to be using components and things like that, I'm going to show you this just to make it a little bit easier when we get there. So we're going to use what we call controller as syntax. Okay, so we're going to say ng controller main control as VM, and this is just a convention, the VM standing for view model. It's just one of those things that, it's just a convention that we use. You could call it pink unicorn if you wanted to, but VM is kind of the standard. Control is also another one that's commonly used, but we're going to stick with VM for now. So we'll go ahead and save that, and then we'll go into app.js, and we're just going to create something where we're going to show you what happens here. So to create a variable that we can see on the front end, we're going to call it this.hello equals world. And what we're doing right now is we're creating this value on this controller is going to be visible inside of the DOM. And we can prove that by saying, just putting double curly brackets in here and saying VM.hello. And what we're doing is we're going into this main controller and we're saying, go find me in this controller a value called hello. And we see that we have this.hello. So this definitely exists, and let's make this not a variable. So, and so that allows us to search for a value inside of the controller. So let's go ahead and see if this works, and we will refresh. Wonder if it is. Did we not save this yet? Oh, you know what? Because this is the wrong one. Let's go open index.html. Awesome. So we have this, we now are able to look inside of this hello in this controller and find the value world. So let's show you, so that's one data binding. So let's kind of blow your mind real quick here. So if we have an input type text, and we say ng model, and we say vm.hello, so we are binding whatever value is in here to the controller and here. So what ends up happening though is that both of these take whatever value originally is in the controller. However, the cool part about this is if we change the value inside of this input, it's also going to change the value inside of here, and this is why they call it two-way data binding, because you can send it out to the controller and get the same value from the controller. So let's open index.html, and we can see that not only do we have these two values, but if we change this, it changes in both places. So that's really the nature of data binding that I really wanted to go over. We'll talk kind of about how to go over a list of stuff and print that out using one of the directives that I'm going to show you. So that's going to be it for this lesson. We've talked about how to connect the controller to the DOM using the controller as syntax and the data binding. In the next video, we are going to talk about directives that you'll commonly use. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, totally put them in the comment area below. To get a hold of, please like and subscribe so we can make more videos for you guys. Also, if you want to get a hold of me on social media, the easiest way is at my Twitter handle, which is JohnA2. Thanks, and I'll see you guys in the next video.